All right, today I'm talking about the Fannie Mae home renovation program. And I did a video last Friday talking about some basics of it, but today I'm going to go over the nuts and bolts, the details of it. I want to make sure that anybody who has questions can shoot me a scenario, see if I can help you with this program. So let's go over the basics. Also keep in mind that this will be more like a 4-part series of videos, so that way it could go over all the details and stuff like that. Okay, so number one, the loan amount. So technically the loan amount is going to be based off the future value of the property. So let's just say you buy for 400, you use 100K to remodel the property. Technically your new loan amount or purchase price would be 500,000. Technically it would be the loan amount, 500,000. So those 100K will be financed into the total renovation cost, and the value will be 500,000 of the property. So that's pretty much basic. All fees associated with the renovation will be financed into the deal. So anything to do with the renovation will be financed into the total loan amount. An example, if you guys, the most common way to go into escrow on these deals is at least a 60-day escrow period to close. And then you have 6 months with the licensed general contractor helping you do the repairs, do the fixing up the property to your liking and what you guys are trying to invest in it. So technically 6 months from there, from 60-day escrow, 6 months, you have to complete the project. On top of that, you have an assigned project manager that's going to be assigned from the bank that's going to help you throughout the whole project to make sure this thing gets done properly. If you're technically it's for first-time home buyers. So what's amazing about this product this program is that for properties like they have detached garages and you guys want to do like renovate the garage, technically with programs like the 203K FHA you weren't able to do that if it's a detached garage. With this program it doesn't matter if it's detached or not detached, you can still renovate the garage. Obviously you would get permits, do an ADU, an accessory dwelling unit, pretty much a converted garage, and it would be done properly, and you'll be able to get everything fixed within the renovation costs. Technically for this type of program, if it's conforming, if it's a conforming loan limit, you can go up to 97%, pretty much meaning that you could bring in 3% down and you'll be able to get this loan. If it's a high balance loan, you would come in with 5% down. All right. You can also do this with if you're with the refinance option. So people that want to refinance that probably don't meet the requirements with other loans and they want to go into a better loan, I think, because it's going to be, the rates are going to be very competitive. Even though if you have a lowest FICO you can have is a 620, you're still going to get a competitive rate and you're going to get a great loan, but you can only do renovations on the property. You won't be able to cash out to pay debt or do anything like that. It would be strictly just to remodel and renovate the property. If you're looking at for second homes, you would have to come in with 10% down. If it's going to be a second home, 10% down would be the ideal thing. If you're looking at 2 units, you would come in with 15% down, and if you're looking from anywhere to 3 to 4 units, you'd come in with 25% down to get into this program. Okay, so pretty much this is the first part of the video, and it gave you some basic overview of technically loan amounts, how you start with the program and stuff like that. So shoot me an email, shoot me a text. There's going to be another 3 videos on this program to go over more of the details. Thank you so much.